Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix projecting to the PC is grayed out on your Windows 10 machine. Now, in order to access projecting to PC option, what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on your start button and then go to settings. Under settings, you will have to go to system. Once you click on system, you on the left hand side you will see an option which says projecting to the PC. Now in this case you're seeing that the projecting to the PC options are grayed out. That's because there is one of the display drivers has not been installed, or wireless display drivers are not installed on my computer. So in order to fix the problem, what you will have to do is you will have to click on optional features. Under optional features, you will have to look for wireless display under this section. In case if you're not able to find it here, what you will have to do is you will have to click on add feature. Under add feature, look for wireless display. Either you can scroll down and look for wireless display, otherwise you can search in the search option here. Check the box which says wireless display and then click on install. So what this will do is this will go ahead and install wireless display on your Windows 10. So once the wireless display drivers are installed on your computer, you should be able to see project to PC option enabled on your computer. So let's wait for the installation to complete. Now, if you look at the screen, the wireless display has been successfully installed on the computer. Now let's go ahead and check if the projecting to PC options are available on the computer. In order to do that, what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on the start button, go to settings. Under settings, go back to system. Under system, click on the projecting to the PC, and if you look at the screen, you would see that the options are available on the computer. In case if these options are not available, what I would recommend you is I would recommend you to go ahead and restart your computer after installing the wireless display, and these options should be available. So under this option, you can go ahead and try to connect. You can project your Windows Phone or PC to this screen and use its keyboard, mouse and other devices using projecting to this PC. In case if you want a detailed video on how to use projecting to PC features on your Windows device, do leave me a comment in the comment section. I would go ahead and make a detailed video. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.